I think it does look like wood. Well, it's nearly 5:30 in the morning and I've not been able to sleep. So I decided that I would try my hand at a particular canvas that I've been wanting to try. I'm going to try and make wood, an acrylic pour with wood, making it look like wood. So just to start off, you can see I've got an array of of browns. I've got that one. There's a metallic brown. It's really actually quite pretty. Too many bubbles though. And I've also got a yellow. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to put you in my video slot, card holder, no, whatever the thing is called, this thing. And then we will go. Well, I thought that I'd been recording, putting all the colours in, and it turns out I hadn't been. So hopefully you can watch me do this last bit. What I'm doing a dirty pour, which is when you put all the colours into one cup. The yellow is rather gluggy, so I'm not quite sure if it's going to behave. But we'll see. It's always hard to know how much to actually put in, how much paint, because I hate wasting the paint, but at the same time you do need quite a lot to make sure that it's all covered everywhere. I'm just tilting it so you can see, basically. Oh, I love that metallic, so I'm going to put lots there. And maybe some more dark brown. And just a bit more metallic. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright, now I'm just gonna look at that, how cool. I'm just gonna put that over here, because then next step, we've got our white acrylic paint mixed with pouring medium. And you put this down just so that your stuff has something to slide over. Because, oh no, where's my little, here we go. Just to spread it around. Because otherwise it just does not slide, you know, when you've actually got the dirty pour on there, it doesn't slide around as easily. So this just makes it a lot easier. Make sure we get all the edges. Can't tell if they're on this side or not. Just talking quietly because it's 5:30 in the morning, and I went to sleep at around 1:30 and wake up at 2:30, 3 o'clock and couldn't get back to sleep. So eventually I just thought, you know what, stuff it. I'm going to come out here and do some painting. Now I don't want, can you see all these bubbles? I don't know if you can see them, but I don't want them to come up in my painting, because it'll just come up as white cells. And I don't really want white cells on my lovely pour, especially because I want it to look like wood. I guess if they did come up, they'd maybe look like termites or something in the wood, and that's not really what I want. So anyway, that's done. All right. Now, here we go. A little bit nervous. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So far, it's, uh-oh. Okay, this is not quite working. That's better. Maybe I did put too much metallic in there, because so far it's mostly metallic. Oh, there's some of the gluggy yellow. Maybe I should have used some black. Oh well, too late now. My thinking was if I use wood colours, maybe it'll look like a wood grain, depending on how I manipulate it once I've put all the paint on. So I might leave it there. And now is the fun bit. Oh, ho, ho. Wow, there's so many bubbles in this. But it looks cool. Sorry, I know you can't see this bit. Whoopsie. Tipping it too far. I think it does look like wood. Sorry, you can't even see it. Come on. Oops. I'm making a real mess of this. Sorry. But what I'm going to do... This is not an idea I've even seen on YouTube, but I don't know, it popped into my head. I thought that would be really cool to try. Oh, sorry, you can't see. I keep forgetting. Oh, that looks great. I like that. Pretty about the white bits, but that's all right. See what you can do. Just get more bits like that. That's what I've seen a lot of people do. Next question is, do I actually blowtorch it, or do I leave it like this? Because I know if I blowtorch it, I will get cells. But then does that lose the wood look of the wood? Do you know what I mean? So, I'm not quite sure. It's just that blowtorching is like so much fun. So, I don't know. I just don't want those bits of white. So I hope that won't ruin it too much. Ah, look. But you know me, I love mess. Oh, here, paper towel. I really like that. It really does look like wood. That would make an awesome background for something. I should have had more contrasting colours, but you know what? I don't mind. I might just do a quick blowtorch and see what happens. See, the white from underneath is coming up with blowing out those bubbles. I've got to get a bigger blowtorch. This is such a baby. It's cute, but it's a baby one. Okay, I think it's time I take you off the stand and give you a proper look at this now. Okay, here we are back, and you can get a really good view of it now. I am loving it. What do you think? Oh, I just think it looks so cool. What if we look at it from that, like that? Wow. There are some little bits here. Little, I don't know if they're paint dots that fell off the cup or my finger, or if they're cells, but look, all those tiny little dots. Now, can remember I didn't want a huge amount of cells because I wanted this to look like actual wood. I think I've done a pretty good job. What do you reckon? So, I will have to show you this then once it's dry. And in this weather, it will probably take longer because it's cold and rainy and wet. Anyway, we'll see you back once it's dry. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.